Hello everybody, this is George with Melnix Automotive, working on a 2022 Subaru Ascent. As you can see, it's got the panoramic sunroof and the back piece is missing. The reason it's missing because it's cracked. This is probably my second or third one I'm doing, and I'll show you what it looks like. As you can see, right in this corner, there's a crack. It cracks, but does not shatter, doesn't fall inside the car, which is nice. So, as you can see right here, a little stress crack, and I think I know why that happened, but this is my second or third one that I'm replacing. The part number is right here, 65430 X-ray Charlie 01 A like Apple, and this should work from 2019 through 2024. It's the same. So as you can see right here, I went ahead and took it out. So there's 4 T25 screws that hold it in place. In order to access it, what you got to do, go inside the car, and there's this rubber seal. It pulls right out from this channel here. It just pulls right out, and there's one screw that holds it in place, a second screw right here, and the same thing on the driver's side. So those are T25. You can take those out, and all you do, you just push it out outwards. So yeah, you need 2 people to do this job. And let me get back on my roof. So this is what it looks like. So the new piece will go right under the front section. It has a rubber seal here, and all you have to do, just have 2 people watch to make sure it seals properly along this edge right here and the other side over here. It's very easy to replace, but you don't have to take the whole headliner down. You don't have to take out lower the sunroof to do this job. Very easy to do. All right, this is what the new piece looks like. There's not a lot of bubble wrap. This is my second one. I got one from a dealer, so you want to open the box before you pick this up, because I purchased one that has a crack right here, and this is another box. It's going back to the dealer, as you can see, with the same exact part number. So you always want to check these. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this one. I'll show you where the screws go in once it's installed. Okay, so if you have 2 people, it's easier, but this is what I was telling you about. It goes right on, and that rubber seal, just watch that seal. It goes right on there, just like this. It goes right under sunroof, and that's it. Goes in just like this. And then what I'm gonna go inside the car. I'm gonna install the screws, and then I'll adjust the height of it and tighten it up. I'll put the weather strip back in, and the job is done. Let's come inside and see what's going on inside. Okay, so as you can see, there's one in a corner. Each corner has a screw, and once you put the screw in, it's got Loctite, and your new you could reuse the old screws, but you can get new ones if you like. It's got the Loctite on it. So once we put them in, as you can see, there's some adjustment. They can go up and down and side to side. So what I usually do, I put them in there, I don't tighten them all the way, and then you can have somebody watch on the outside of the car to align the glass with the roof, because you do have quite a bit of adjustment. So this just like so, you can see the glass moves up and down. And another one is in this corner right here. So I'm gonna install that, and the same thing on the other side. There's total 4 screws. This could be done all by yourself, but if you have extra help, so I have it all in, but I haven't tightened it. So now I'm gonna go back outside, and I'll have somebody watch. I'll have my son Marcus, and I'll introduce you to him. I'm gonna have him tighten these screws up while I adjust the height on top of the roof. So I'm gonna take over the camera, go on top of the car, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right, so this is what's going on. As you can see how much play it has? He's pushing it up, and I'm pushing it down. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust it just like that. Push it up, Marcus, just a bit. I'm gonna, just like that. I think that's a perfect. You can see how it follows. Go ahead, Marcus, tighten that corner. He's gonna tighten that up, and we're gonna do exactly the same thing on this side right over here. As you can see, right now, the front glass is a little higher than the back glass. So I'm gonna have him push it up just a tiny bit in this corner. That's not tight yet. Go ahead, push up this corner. He's gonna push it that. There you go. As you can see, we're done. Everything has adjusted. Now all we have to do is just put the seal back into the channel and push it right back in. You don't have to drop the headliner, and the job is done. That's how you do it. You want to wipe off your fingerprints. But the reason I think these crack is because it's a lot of these cars, especially the ones that we buy, there have been in an accident before, and usually when the airbags deploy, don't forget the airbags run along the sides of this panoramic sunroof, and when the bag deploys, it causes the shock wave. The way it comes, when the bag deploys, the shock wave goes through it and it cracks the sunroof. Also, if you hit a nice pothole, a really nice one, you could also have because the shock wave goes through the car. If you ever watch an accident in slow motion, you can see how the shock wave goes through the car. Sometimes if you hit a really hard pothole, the glass could bounce off the side of the roof and cause a crack like that. Once again, thanks for watching. This was George with Melnix Automotive.